I am once again saying this, but there is a new lab in Yeeps! Yippee! Okay, this time I actually remember what the update is. It's a creative mode update. So a little while ago, they added this thing where you can like change the name, the biome, the direction, stuff, and then like, yeah, that stuff. Okay, but apparently they added a lot more in this update, so let's go see what it is! Alright bro, I am so excited for this update. Like, I genuinely am not kidding. I have been waiting for this update to come. Well, not this update, but like, at least like an item in the update. Because they added an item. I have no clue where it is though. Is that it? The zone copier! Yes! Alright, for those who don't know, the zone copier is basically a thing where you can scan a certain area and copy it. They really needed to add this for a long time, bro. I've been waiting for this for so long. Okay, and then there's apparently their first ever creative mode gadget.
For anybody wondering, the chainsaw is in the winter map. Bye.
Don't see it anywhere. Yeah, okay, I don't think it's here. But dude, I have been waiting for this for so long, bro. Let's go. Oh my gosh, that voice crack was crazy. Apparently they added back one of their old maps, or maybe it was like a map in a community world. I'm gonna guess it's right here. So let's go to Prop Town. Alright, so the map was called Construction Site. Look at this! I've played this map before. It's a tap tag map. I have played it before. I'm terrible at tap tag in this game for some reason though. So this is like my favorite song. If you guys saw my funk in Yeeps, this is the song that I used. It literally sounds like funk, bro. Alright, anyways, I gotta find where this item is, bro. Alright, we're gonna look in every single tech web. Gosh dang. Okay, so I just remembered that you can like get it by typing in the pro code. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to starter house, because I'm pretty sure it was a starter house with blue house. Scan it, boom. That thing. Okay, now we gonna douche. Alright, and then now we're gonna go to a wilds map. Alright, we're in a wilds map. Now what we do, hold up. Wait, okay. Okay. What the heck is this? Okay. Okay, then there's this gadgets. Alright, hold up. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I don't want to hold this. I seriously don't want to be holding this. I'm not even kidding. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Yo. Normally you cannot. Oh. You can't use this in the wilds, bro. Dang it. What? Yo, this is so good. This is so bad. It is so much fun, but it is so bad. Just so you guys know, you can only use this in creative mode. You can't use this anywhere else. Oh my gosh. Bro, that was so much fun. Okay, so it's right here. Okay, so what do I do? Just like oh, okay. I can like copy this entire area, probably. Oh, okay, so you gotta like you can only carry this one. So what I can do is I can copy this. Oh, you can't copy zones in WoW. Okay, let's take this and go to my private world. Bubbles just like disappeared for a second. Oh wait, I forgot they added a new camera. I think. I don't know what this does. Oh yeah, it makes it so this like locks your camera onto something. So you throw it over there, it looks over there. Or like, I think if you use this, yeah, see it follows this thing. So if I throw it over there, it looks up there. Okay. Now what about just like a normal camera? Did it follow that? No. So like with this camera and this camera. Oh, okay. It like it only follows wherever you throw it. Like see? Okay, yeah, that's cool. Really, bro? Alright, let's just go to room 3. Pretty sure this is my minigame. By the way, guys, if you could please join my community world and donate, because it really helped me out a lot. And we're about to run out of power, so I just really ask you guys to help me out a little bit to get my community world boosted up and to keep it up and running. I don't know what to say, but just please help me with my world, and if you could please buy VIP. Oh my gosh, it would just really help me out a lot. Why isn't the spikes copy? Okay, whatever. Let's copy the whole book. Alright, so now what we can do. Oh, okay, I like that. Why is it tweaking so bad? I feel like, okay, I don't know what's going on, but like it's like tweaking. Okay. Why? Oh, it's because it's facing that way. I'm stupid. So we can copy that. Copy. Paste. So then I think if we duplicate it, paste. Yeah, we can duplicate it. See? I duplicated it. That's so cool. Bro, I've been waiting for one of these to come out into the game for so long. It's like, it's pretty crazy. Yeah, we got the D-latch. Okay. Let's go see what this does. Turns off, but when you press this button, it locks it. Kind of confused. What's this supposed to do? to like... Hold. Oh, so while this is pressed, it doesn't go on. Okay, I get it now. Alright. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot to me. Like, this isn't really a big video. It's just kind of, it's a bonus lab, so it's not really a massive update. Don't say that in the comments, please. But, this is a really good bonus update. I'm happy that they added more creative mode stuff. Especially the zone copier, because that really helps out a lot for me. So, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, because we are so close to 400. We are, I think, we're at 396, I think, at the time I'm uploading this. So if you guys just subscribe, it would mean so much to me, because we're so close to 400. And it would be awesome if we can hit that before the end of May. So subscribe, hit the like button so I know to post more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!